If you are looking for instant whitening face pack for all skin kind, then here I am, and it's a requested video from to be brides as shadi season is coming up and we all want to look gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm sharing with you a super duper simple face pack that will gonna help you to give you instant brightness, instant whitening. And the most important thing which I liked about this face pack is suitable for all skin kind. As you know, I have acne prone oily skin, so usually I made packs and scrubs and cleanser and home remedies for acne prone skin only, but this pack is for all skin kind. And you know what, how much you have to spend for this pack? Only 10 to 15 rupees, nothing more than this. Okay, so I should stop talking now and let's show you what's the ingredient, because I know you are so confused that what's that green thing on my face and you wanted to know what's that. So yes, let's see what's the green thing on my face. Let's discover it. So the magical ingredient that you will gonna need is spinach. You know, whenever I see spinach, I get remember of Popeye the Sailor Man cartoon, and that was my favorite one. So all you need is some spinach. Wash them thoroughly and then chop them finely, so that when you grind them it get grind finely. So this is how you have to do it. Chop it very finely as much as possible, then take your blender and put all the leaves chopped of spinach in that blender. Blend well, make a paste, and if possible make thick paste, but mine get a little bit runny watery kind, because at the time of adding water mistakenly I added extra water, so that's okay. So to balance that, I will give you idea how to balance it, and that's not compulsory, that's totally optional. If you make super thick paste, then you don't need anything else to add in this to make it stick on your face. If you make it runny or watery, then you can add this ingredient that I'm going to show you, and you can see how fine it is, how finely I chopped my spinach. Now my grinded and watery spinach is ready. That's okay if it is running. Now I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the consistency. So I'm gonna add some gram flour in this. If your spinach pack is very thick and if it is able to get stick on your face, then you don't need to add anything else. But to increase the efficiency of this pack, and if your pack is by chance get too runny or watery, then you can add rice flour, wheat flour, gram flour or oats flour. That is totally optional. This will not harm your skin anyway. Opposite to this, it will give your skin a healthy and brightening effect. And you know what best part that I like about this pack is it gives instant glow to skin, which I really like and very effective for to be brides. If you are about to go in shadi, because as you know shadi season is about to get start, so you can do this pack. And if you are to be bride, then also you can try this pack. Due to their antioxidant ability, it is very effective. As you know, vitamin that spinach contain vitamin A, E, C and many more vitamins and nutrients that are very helpful for our skin. If you drink it, it is too good. If you don't have time to drink it, then you can apply pack of this. If you want to boil it and then apply it, then you can try that method also, but I like raw method much more than boiling method. So this way you can make your own spinach pack that is very simple, effective and doesn't need much time to make. And as you can see, glow on my face, my skin is looking so fresh, refreshed, healthy, and you can see it by your own. So just give it a try. Okay, I don't think I need to say much about this. You can see by your own. Oh, I forgot to tell you that for best result, do this twice a day and at least for 15 days. So that's the magic. You see how simple it is, and you don't have to worry so much. You don't have to do lots of things. No more hodgepodge and all. You can do it. It's like in this way, quick way. So Yes, try this pack. No matter what skin type you have, if you have dry skin, add some honey to it. That's optional, otherwise it will not give you any kind of drying effect, but still if you want you can add some honey. Okay, and for other skin kind, that is all. You mix only these two ingredients and you're done. You're totally done. Okay, just try this remedy. Let me know in comments. Don't forget to share your experience with me, because I really like to know how my remedies are working on you, and actually you are doing them or not, or you are just wasting time. If you have any request related to skin, hair, health, let me know in comment. Don't forget to share my video, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and yes, please help me to grow. Please share my video to your friends, in your family. That is all. I will back soon in my next video. If you have any video requests, leave that in comment section. I will surely do that. Okay, till the next time, take care, have a very nice day. Bye bye.